Hi there, Craig Howard here. Welcome to the Week 1 Road Royalty Concept 2 Raffle. As you know, we're raffling off a Concept 2 rower each week to participants who complete each workout. We had some technical difficulties with scoring, have got those cleared up, and all of the participants entered into the system. I'm going to conduct the raffle. And I thought I'd share it on video so that everyone could see how the process works. I use a Google spreadsheet in order to complete this with assigning random numbers in Google Sheets. If you're familiar with the formula, rand in parentheses assigns random numbers. If you look on my screen right now, you'll see athlete name, category, and then random number and random number 2. I'm simply going to copy the random number into the separate column. I'll show you how this works. The athlete name and category information is already inputted. We have almost 1,000 athletes who entered scores for the first week. That information is already in there. The names and category are simply masked, and I'll show you that information now just by changing the text color from white to black. And you can see that there is a data in that category. So I'm going to move it back to white and we'll hide that information. And what I'm going to do is assign a random number to all of these athletes simply by typing this formula. And a random number is going to be assigned. And then I'm going to copy that formula all the way down the screen to encompass all of our athletes. Take a little bit of time. And we're almost there. The random number has been assigned. I'm going to copy this number, this column, and I'm going to paste it right here as a value. And you'll see that random number change, and that's because anytime you change the column or append the column, it assigns a new random number. So we're going to paste that number that we assigned to the athlete here. Same number, and then we're going to delete that original column. And now I have the random numbers for each of the athletes. This week we're going to sort A to Z, so I'm going to take the athlete name and the random number. We're going to highlight all of that information, all that data again. And there's probably, for those of you that are spreadsheet experts, might be driving you crazy with how I do this. I'm sure there's a faster way to highlight this entire block of names. But I just want to show you that all of the athletes that participated this week are being covered. And here we are, 838 athletes. And I'm going to sort this column now. And I'm going to sort this A to Z. Let me bring it back up to the top. And you'll see it on my screen now. I'm going to sort range, and we're going to sort by random number. And I'm going to sort from A to Z. And we now have our athlete sort. So as soon as I highlight and change the information, or change the color of the font right here, let me bring my screen up a little bit so you can see this. I'm going to change the font color to black right here, text color, and I'm going to set that to black. We will have our winner. So week 1, Road Royalty Concept 2 winner is
Mark Smirstick, standard men, under 5'11", but Mark Smirstick, congratulations! You're our first week Concept 2 winner. Congratulations.